How to withdraw money from PocketOption to Binance. The first thing that we want to do is log into both platforms, and on the Binance platform here, we will click on deposit in the top right corner. Then we will choose deposit crypto. Once we have selected deposit crypto, we will search for USDT here where it says search coin. I can just select USDT and we will choose the network that we want to use. I'll just use the Tron network here. Now you will find your deposit address here, so you just want to copy this address, and once you have it copied, we will go into PocketOption. Then on the left hand side we will click on finance, and then we gotta go to withdrawal. From here we will just paste the code that we copied or the address that we copied, and then here you have to select the same address that you have selected, or network, sorry, for Binance, and you can transfer your USDT that way. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.